Okay, America, so the S&P 500, having a bit of a stall this week. Probably will need to come back and test here. They say that once you have one of these big recoveries here, the size of it was like 17%, that in 12 months' time the share market is usually ahead. So you can sort of park that, but it doesn't mean there'll be some short-term weakness. That's SPX. So Ivv is that ETF. So that's in the same boat. So it's making a decision. I'd say a bit of a pullback, but you don't want too much of a pullback. All right. So Moat. So this is the American quality filtered by Morningstar. Hasn't participated with the technology run. And you can see this is Moat over Ivv. So you can see since it had been outperforming over since 2016 to 2023, but then the tech stocks really took off and have hammered Moat. But I still think in time of it there will be a big correction sometime next year, this year, and quality companies will survive better than the overvalued tech stocks. But I don't think that's going to happen yet, though. Okay, so the Nasdaq. So again, we've had a nice bounce where we need to have another breather, come back down, see if we can find support and head up again. If you want the Nasdaq to perform, you need the semiconductors to be outperforming the Nasdaq, which they currently are. So the semiconductor sector. So that's positive news. So for our ETF, the NDQ, we're looking the same. Back up into this box, probably come back down, test, and take off. I'm not going to look at the hedged ETFs because it'll take too long, and you can watch the video, but it's something you need to keep in mind of. Okay, so comparing Nasdaq to Ivv, you can see there's that Nasdaq outperformance that drove the Ivv.